Okay, let's see how does it look. So here what we have is, first of all, I'm gonna take this one, this URL, and I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go to framer.com. I'm gonna test the SEO, which is simply the structured data. I'm gonna share component that, okay, let's do it. This one, let's scan. Okay, must be valid. This one is valid. So a component that adds schema markup. So here we have we have this website with the same template and the same CMS as the one we gonna add the component to. So this is the one which is no SEO but framework. So if I'm not here we have this no structured data, nothing. So this is the score. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the project with the SEO component, which is Ultra Schema, added to it, which is this one. So let's see. Okay, let's go to layers. Let's go to desktop. I think this is the Ultra Schema. This is the Ultra Schema. So I'm gonna add it. You can add it on any page, but the most important page are topic page and CMS detail page. So here we have, you can add it. Here you can add all these fields that you can add easily. And here in this index page, let's go to this page. We can share all of that. And here for the content, this is not content of not of this stuff. So what's gonna do? I'm gonna go to CMS detail page, which is this one, this template. Let me change this one to this. So I'm gonna go to layers. I added there, and this is the older schema. So here we have all of this information. You can add it again or don't add it because you added to the other one. The most important thing is the content schema. Here is blog post. You can add all of this. Link these CMS variables as easy. If I click here, I'm gonna set this to title. This all of this you can add it by yourself. So I'm gonna publish. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna take this URL and I'm gonna open a private, and I'm gonna go to framer.com slash this one to test it. So this is the URL. This is the name, and let's scan. This is the first score. Let me get this out. Okay, and let's wait for the other score is nice. The most important thing that this component is doing is adding structured data. So if we have this one, the one with this here, let me make it the not company. Okay, let's get the other one. This is the most important thing for me, to be honest, is this component is adding structured data and improving all of that. You can improve, but the most important thing this component is doing is adding structured data. So if I close this one, and let's go here, we have the same CMS, and this is preview this here, the same CMS. and one with the component and one without the component. Let's go to the preview with no SEO to check. The two projects are the same with one having the component and one without the component, the same CMS. So let's go back. So the component URL will be in the description, and thank you very much. Hope you'll like it. Please test it. This is the preview. Here, this is the preview for the marketplace. This is the preview for the marketplace. If you see it and you want to test it, the same website, same content. This is the result. Here's to open the result with no component URL, with no component website, and this is the with component website, and this is the component URL, and this is the no component website, and this is the with component website. This is the result, and this is the result for the component website, and this is the result for the component website. You can test it or see it at the marketplace. Okay, have a nice day. Stop.